Hi, I'm Anupama Gowda. I'm the founder of Workbench Projects, a makerspace, fab lab, and a public laboratory based out of Bangalore. While we speak of technology making our life easier, arts is what makes us human. And I'm interested in the intersection of technology with the arts. Today, I stay invested in STEAM education for government school children in Karnataka.
Why buy things when you can make them? Hi, I'm Vaibhav Chhabra. I love to make things. A lot of things. Chisel. I graduated as a mechanical engineer and a photographer out of Boston University. Hammer. Post that, I started working for a startup called iNetra out of MIT Media Labs, where I found my passion for making things. Drill. That's when I moved back to India and started Makers Asylum. Driver. Screwdriver.